Julie ate one that was too frozen. She's puffing up and flapping her wings. Poor Julie. So Seagull has his foot. I thought those were thawed enough. Here goes Julie. Julie had a really big one, but it wasn't as thawed as the others. Are you okay, Seagull? You okay? You been a good boy? Good boy? These are still pretty frozen in the bag, but we got to have some thawed ones. Are you gonna be okay, Seagull? You got your foot up like it's still shaking. It's empty. It's empty, Seagull. We got some tails right here, but they don't have any weight. Look. You gonna be okay, Seagull? All the rest of the ones down here are frozen, and I think they're probably gonna be mine. Because I think you guys had enough. Seagull. Seagull, that's empty. There's none in there. It's empty. You gonna be okay? You gonna have a nice day today? You gonna have a nice day? You're a good boy, Seagull. I might be going camping, okay? You're gonna be able to take care of yourself when I'm gone? Hey, Seagull, you're gonna have a nice day. Bye. See you later, Seagull. He's like, that's all the shrimp I'm getting? I'm going.